in my house outside.
Same here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Ma'am, at my house also it's raining very heavily.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am, my house.
So, let me do the one announcement, children. Children, we are not doing the revision today, so don't write in the revision notebook. Take out your maths classwork notebook. Everyone, I'll give you a 1 minute time to open your maths classwork notebook. And in your syllabus, only the addition and subtraction of meters and centimeters, not multiplication and division. Only addition and subtraction. So today we are going to do the new concept which is related to kilometers and meters. Same, again we start the conversion of kilometers and meters, then we move to the addition and subtraction of kilometers and meters. So kilometers and meters also have three things. First is conversion, second is addition, third is subtraction. Now I want to ask, when we want to convert the kilometers into meters, we multiply it with what? Heath will tell me. Heath, if I have 6 kilometers and somebody asks me, give me the answer in meters. So 6 kilometers equals
6,000
to,
meter.
excellent. Like Ahana, what he has done to find out that he said the 6 kilometer equals to 6,000 meters, which operation he has done?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
He said that 6 kilometers equals to 6,000 meters. So finding the 6,000 meters, which operation he had applied? Addition किया, multiplication or division, or what he has done?
Ma'am, he has done addition.
What addition? He has added what? Varija will tell me.
Ma'am, what's the question? Can you say?
See, he told me that 6 kilometers equals to 6,000 meters. So
Yes, ma'am.
finding the 6,000 meters, what he has done? He has done which operation? And if he has done multiplication or addition, he has multiplied or added the which number? 1 kilometer equals to how many meters? Varij?
1 meter.
Equals to how many kilometers?
Ma'am,
No,
can
one.
1 meter is equal
Sorry,
to.
sorry. My question is 1 kilometer.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Bhakti.
ma'am, can I explain? Ma'am, can I say?
No, I will call the child name. Till that, your mic should be off. Kiana, are you coming and
Ma'am,
going, coming and going?
100.
No, 1,000. 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meter. But in meter, centimeter is 100. 1 meter, mute yourself, Varija. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. But 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters. So when you are finding the converting the kilometer into the meters, you are multiplying with the 1,000. Remember it, everyone. Now Navya will tell me. Navya, 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers equals to how many meters?
1,000 meter.
10 kilometer. I'm not telling 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer will be 1,000 meters. 10 kilometer will be what?
10,000. Ma'am, can I say?
Mohammed Patel will tell me. Yes, Mohammed Patel. 10 kilometers equals to how many meters? Turn off mic. Rishik Bajaj. 10 kilometer equals to how many meters?
Ma'am, 10 kilometer is 10,000.
Prayag, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this way we are going to learn the conversion. I'm going to present my screen to you all. First, I will explain the sums and then you will write it in your notebooks. It is same like the conversion of meter and centimeter, but the point is only 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, but here the relation is with 1,000. 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters. Can you see my screen? Guys, today's date here 16 June, but you write 18 June. C.W, long and short topic. Convert the following measurement into meters. I request everyone to turn off their mics, please.
Ma'am, in revision notebook.
Who is asking?
Ma'am, Rishik.
No, in the maths notebook. I already announced today we are not doing revision. This is your chapter number 2, long and short topic. So that you will do in your maths notebook, everyone.
Okay.
Everyone, please open your maths classwork notebook. No revision today. So it is convert the following measurement into meters. It is in kilometer given to you. You need to convert them into the meters. 8 kilometers. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 8 multiplied by 1000 is 8000 meters. Same way 14 kilometer. When 14 multiplied by 1000 is 14,000 meters. Now the situation comes that something is in the meters and something in the kilometer and something is in the meters. In that case, what you will do? You only convert the kilometers into the meters and the part which is already in meters will just be added. For example, this is 6 kilometers, 750 meters. So you only convert the 6 kilometers into the meters. 6 multiplied by 1000 is 6000 meters. Now, what will we will do with 750 meters? 750 meters is already in meters, which will be added in 6000. So now the answer will be 6750 meters. Am I clear till now to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please do these 3 sums in your notebook. You will get these 2 type of situation in this. If full is given in kilometer, you need to convert it into the meters. Then you directly just only multiply with 1000. But if something in kilometer and something in meters, so because you only some part is already in meters, you don't need to touch that part. Only the kilometers will be converted, and then both the meters will be added. Are you all writing? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will take you 1 minute time to take the attendance, and then you can. I will show you the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now you can see. Meantime, I will ask the questions from you all related to this concept only, which we are doing. I'll call the child name. That child only will answer me. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rishik Bajaj. I will ask 2 questions from each child. Be alert. Be active. Rishik Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishik Bajaj, 7 kilometer equals to how many meters?
Ma'am, 7000.
Very good. And the next question is from you is, wait, 8 kilometer, are you writing somewhere? 8 kilometer, 850 meter. Convert them into the meters.
Okay.
8 kilometer, 850 meters.
Okay, ma'am.
Find the answer and tell me.
Ma'am, 8008 850.
My dear, I request you not to take help from anyone.
No, ma'am, I am
Ma'am,
not
what is
taking.
after 8 kilometer?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, I am not taking help.
Okay. Who is asking what is after 8 kilometer? My dear, the screen one, this is Kush. This which I am showing on the screen is common for everyone. Which I am announcing, it's not common for everyone. So don't pay attention there. You just pay attention on your writing work. जो मैं आपसे पूछूंगी वो सबका डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन होगा, सबका सेम नहीं होगा. Got it? So please write. Okay, I will move to the next child, Laisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Laisha, you tell me 14 kilometer, sorry, not 14. You tell me 16 kilometer equals to how many meters?
16,000.
Very good. And the next is 6 kilometer, 125 meters. How many kilometers? Oh, sorry, how many meters?
Can you repeat the question again?
Yeah, 6 kilometer, 125 meter. 6 kilometer, 125 meter.
Six,
Hmm.
125,000.
6,125 you will read it. है ना?
Yes.
6,125 meter.
Ma'am, roll it down.
Okay. So now I am explaining the next question, children, to you, which is here as one child told scroll down. So before scrolling down, I need to explain you this question. When you convert the following measurement into kilometers and meters, right? So from meters means you are converting them into the kilometers. Meter is the smaller unit, kilometer is the bigger unit. From smaller unit to bigger unit, when you convert, you divide that number with the 1,000. So when you divide 5,672 meters by 1,000, so when you divide any number by 1,000, 100, tens, you just see the number of digits, number of zeros, sorry. 1,000 is having 3 zeros. So in the meters, which is given 5,672 meters, 3 digits from the back will go into the meters and the remaining digits will be your kilometers. So here 672 will go in the meters. When you count the 3 digits from the back, from ones place, ones, tens, 100. So 3 digits will go in the meters and the remaining digits will come in the kilometers. Got it, everyone? Same way when, yes or no?
Yes.
Now go to the next one, 6,309. Same 309 will go in the meters and 6 will be kilometers. But there are 4 digits only. If there are 5 digits, 6 digits also, only 3 digits will go into the meters and the remaining, if there are remaining 3 digits also remaining, that will be kilometers. If 2 digits are remaining, then that also will be kilometers. Always remember that when you are dividing it with the thousands, so 1,000 is having 3 zeros, so 3 digits will go in the meters and the remaining will go in the kilometers. Am I clear with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write down. So meantime, I will ask from you all also. Yes, Khush,
Can you show me the second one? I
Writing
only want
very-
to see the last line.
writing very slowly, Varija. I request you to write little faster. Yes, Khush Desai.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I can't find my book and I have find now. So the first question was 8 kilometer, no?
Yes, 8 kilometers.
Okay, ma'am.
Khush Desai.
And ma'am, the
ma'am.
second question is what? Can you tell later?
Okay. Second question is convert the following measurement into kilometer and meters. Means some part will be in the meters and some will be in the kilometers, right? So if when you are converting meter into the kilometer, means from smaller unit to the bigger unit you are converting, you will divide.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when you are dividing it with the 1,000, 1,000 is having 3 zeros. So
Yes.
the number which is given to you into the meters, you will take 3 digits from the back as the meters, and the remaining will be in the kilometers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Next child, Kush. Kush, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
5 kilometer 250 meter. How many meters?
Ma'am, 5,000.
5 kilometer
Ma'am,
250
5,250 kilometers.
meters.
Centimeters.
No, meters. How centimeter will come in the kilometer? Yes.
I by mistakenly said that.
Okay. Next is, thank you. Next is Kavisha. Kavisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavisha, tell me 4 kilometer 450 meter.
4,450 meters.
Very good. 4,450. Children, I give you a hint also. You can remove the kilometer and meter and you combine both the numbers together. You will get the answer. Next is Hansil is there in the class. Children, Hansil is there. Let me see 1 minute. No, Hit is there. Hit,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me. You tell me 9 kilometer 350 meters.
Ma'am, 9,000.
9 kilometer 350 meters.
Ma'am, 9,350 meter.
Meter. Next is here. Here 8 kilometer. Here lot of voices. Mute. Here mute yourself. Here first listen the answer and then give me the answer quickly, or either write it in the chat box because lot of disturbance is coming from your side. I listen the question carefully, and then once you are confident with the answer, then turn on your mic and give me the answer. He tell me 8 kilometer 750 meter. 8 kilometer 750 meter converted into the meters. She turn off the mic.
Ma'am, can you show the sheet?
Yes, yes. Please write, children, fast. And children, you will get this classwork in your mathematics folder.
Ma'am, can I say
Which child?
Bhakti?
Bhakti. Okay, Bhakti, tell me 8 kilometer 750 meter. Convert them into the meters. Tell me, Bhakti.
8,750 meters.
Yes. Now I go to the next child, Kiana. Kiana. And rest of the students I will ask in my next class. Kiana. Okay.
Ma'am, Kiana left.
Kiana left. This is happening every time. Jania is there in the class. Children, please check. Students, please check. Is Jania there?
No, ma'am.
Mir Virani. Mir Virani.
Yes, ma'am, he's there.
Okay. Mir Virani, 6 kilometer.
Yes.
6 kilometers 668 meter.
6 kilometers 668
68 meter. Convert them into the meters.
Ma'am, 6,000. Ma'am, can you say the 100 line again?
668 meter.
6,668
meter. Very good.
Ma'am,
So other students will get the time. Will get tomorrow chance. Now listen carefully. Now listen. Whatever you have completed till now, it's okay. Now you will get this classwork.
Hello, ma'am. I am on last line.
Now listen, Mirvi. Listen carefully. You will
tomorrow
get.
is
Tomorrow is holiday. It's a third Saturday. So holiday, no class tomorrow. On Monday now directly class. Now listen very carefully. If you have completed, okay. If you have not completed, you are still need to complete one or two sums or the last line. You complete after the class. You will get
the screenshot.
Yeah, no problem. But you will get this classwork in your classwork folder. Got it?
If there is some connectivity issue at my house while I am doing homework, so I have taken the screenshot.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. I am going to start the new topic now, which is related to the addition of these units. Addition, how you will, because you have learned how to add and subtract in meter and centimeter. Same way you are going to learn how to add and subtract in kilometers and meters. First, I will show you one video on this and then I will explain you. Can you all see my screen?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. We can see. Yes, ma'am. Now we.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Thank you. Let me start. 12 kilometers and 496 meters. Now must be you are thinking then, ma'am, in meters there are 3 digits and we have learned in meter centimeter, right? There are 2 digits in centimeter, but in meter centimeter there are 2 digits compulsory to have in the centimeter, because if it is more than 2 digits, means if it is till 99, it is centimeter. When it will become 100, then it will become 1 meter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Same year in the meters till 999, means till 3 digits, 999, it will be in the meters. Once it will become 1000, then it will become 1 kilometer. So it is compulsory to have 3 digits in the meters. If it is more than 3 digits, it will convert it into the kilometers. So you will not write more than 3 digits in the meters. It will be always 3 digit, not more than 3 digits. So when you add it, 6 plus 8 is 14, 4 will come here, 1 will go up, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 go up, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 here, 2, 1 will go up, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Next sum, 63 kilometers, 65 meters, 26 kilometer, 983 meters. Same here, 65 meter with the 63 friend is only having 2 digits. So we will write 0 before 6, not after 5. Am I clear till here with you? If you write the 0 after 5, your answer will be wrong. It will be 650 then, but it is only 65 meters, not 650 meters. So let me move how to write it into the columns. 63 kilometers, the friend of 63 kilometer is 65 meter, only will go along with it. You cannot interchange the kilometers and meters, that will be wrong. आप ये नहीं लिख सकते कि 63 kilometers and 983 meters. No. 63 का जो friend है 65 वही उसके साथ जाएगा. Am I clear with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
And 26 का friend कौन है? How many meters with 26?
983 meters.
Yes. So along with 26, mute yourself now. Along with 26, only 983 will go in the meters, because the friend of 26 is 983. Someone mic is on, which is disturbing me a lot.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to say something. You sent the minus worksheet of meter and centimeter. In that, the from means that we have to do ulta from that.
We have from bigger number, we need to minus the smaller number. Now here nothing is here, we write 0 here, so that it will become 3-digit number. Now 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 8 is not possible. Sorry, we are doing addition, sorry. 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 8 is 14, we write 4 here, 1 will go carry forward, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So should I write 10 here completely?
No, ma'am.
So what I will write? I will write 0 and the 1 will go carry forward. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 here, 1 will go up. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So 90 kilometer, 48 meter you can say. You will not read like this 048 meter. You will say 48 meter. Always remember you cannot say 9048. If you say 9048, the unit only will be used as meters. But if you are saying 90, then you will say kilometer also. 90 kilometer, 48 meter. So you will read it like this, 90 kilometer, 48 meters. If you're reading it like this, the combined 90,048, then you will say only meter unit. It will then not be kilometers. 90,000, then you convert the another digits into the meters. Am I clear? Into the kilometers.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am going to show you the worksheet based on this. You will do 2 sums in the class. There are total 8 sums. 2 sums you will do in the class. Remaining 6 sums will be your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes, please start doing.
that in the maths notebook, convert the following. You will send.
I will send.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Along with this worksheet, along the screen, the worksheet which you see on the screen, no?
Ma'am, we cannot see in the screen.
Okay, let me see. Let me present the screen. Two sums are your classwork and the remaining sums will be your homework. Kiana, please take a note of it. Whenever I ask the question from you, you leave the class. So please take a note that I will grade you accordingly if you don't respond in the class. So arrange in columns and add the following lengths. Kilometers and meters. 4 kilometers, 476 meters will go, and 5 will go in the kilometers and 54 will go in the meters. And 54 is only 2 digits. So where I will write the 0? After 4 or before 5?
Before 5.
Yes, before 5.
Hello, Renu ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in second sum 37 km 963
meters, and then
plus
it is 28
km. Ma'am, and it is only 5 or 54?
No, 54. And you cannot read like the km or am. You say kilometers and meters. And it is 54, not 5, it is 54. And there are 3 groups you can see here in the second one. 37 kilometers, 963 meters, 28 kilometers, 54 meters, 8 kilometers, 181 meters. After getting the answer, fast write it. Tell me the answer, first one. Let me see who is doing the fast.
Ma'am, 9 kilometer, 530 meter.
First one.
Yes.
Who told the answer? Yes, Bhakti. Okay, good. First answer is given by Bhakti. 9 kilometers, 530 meters. This is the first answer. You can see the answer key on my screen. Now you can see the sum. Please do it faster. If your answer is coming 9 kilometer, 530 meter, first answer, then your answer is right. Do the second one.
The second one, it is 5 or 57.
It is 54.
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
Now? Now? This is 54 here. 28 kilometer, 54 meter. Always remember when you are writing kilometer meter, the friend of one group will go along with it, like 37 in the kilometers and 963 in the meters, 28 in the kilometers, 54 in the meters, 8 in the kilometers, 181 in the meters. I will show you the presentation of the answer key also, how you will write. You can see the answer key. Mute yourself, please. See the answer key. 54. It is 2 digits, so you write 0 before the 5. And here 8 is only 1, so you write 0 here because there are 2 digits. In kilometer, it is not compulsory how many digits you should have, but in meter, it is compulsory to have 3 digits. But in kilometer, you can put up zeros according to the number of digits which are given before. दो पहले से गिवन है उनके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको उतनी जीरो लगानी है. अगर किलोमीटर्स में भी 3 digits are there, so you write extra 2 digits because one is already given. But in meters, it is compulsory to have 3 digits because when it crosses the 4 digit, it will convert it into the kilometers. Clear? Yes or no? Yes, please do. If you completed 2 also, you can complete the other 2 also, no problem.
Ma'am, the answer is 74 kilometer, 198. Ahana.
Yes. Yes, Ahana, tell me.
Ma'am, there are only 4 sums in the worksheet.
There are 8 sums in the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
If you can complete 4 right now, you can complete. Other will be your homework. Please do third one also because one child has given the second answer also. Do the third one, do the fourth one.
Ma'am, Ahana.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can you show once the answer key? I don't understand the second one.
Second one, you write the kilometers and meters. You write the way you are doing, you do, and then you let me check. I don't want to show you the answer key. You first do it by yourself and show me the way you have done.
Drink water.
Yes, please. आपने जैसा किया है आना मुझे करके दिखाओ.
Ma'am, I can say the third.
Who, which child?
Dev.
Yes, Deep, tell me.
81 kilometer, 8 meter.
81 kilometer. No.
8 meter.
No. Do it again. In meter, it will come 3 digit. How you can say 81 kilometer and 8 meter? Can you add them? 3 digits will come. There are 2 digits only in the meter, so you write the 0 before 4 here and 0 before 7 here. Then you add them.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 81 kilometer, 18 meter.
Then also wrong. Again, say right.
81 kilometer, 180. Anna, can I show my
you are going
to send this?
Yes, Ahana. Yes, you. Kush,
Yes,
you. Wait, Ahana. Yes, Kush, you need to send me this in the classroom. Yes, Ahana, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, but you will send 74 kilometer.
Yes, I will send. Show me properly. 74 kilometers 018 na. Wait, let me check the answer. Yes, 71 198 will be the answer. Maybe you have done some mistake in adding.
Okay, ma'am.
The method is correct. Children, the third answer is I'm going to show you. That is 80.
I know.
Yes, tell me.
81 kilometer, 118 meter.
No, it is 80 kilometer. 80 kilometer, 118 meters. Okay. So tomorrow we will check the answers of this. Bring it into the class. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
And I will send this in the classroom.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a good
Bye.
day tomorrow.
Thank you.
Holiday.